Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your API key and placing a map element on the page. This is why you need a valid key, because requests must authenticate. Once done, initialize the map with center coordinates and zoom, and attach the map object to a variable you will control. Make sure to enable billing and required APIs so features work. You now have a live map instance. Next, you will wire basic interactivity so the map responds to your commands. You add markers and info windows to represent points of interest, and you attach click and drag listeners so the map reacts to the user. Then, programmatically move the view with map. Set center, map, set zoom, pan to, and fit bounds, depending on how precise you need the camera. Use request animation frame or debouncing when responding to rapid events so the UI stays smooth. Once these controls are wired, you control both user-driven and scripted navigation reliably and predictably. You finish by validating permissions, testing gestures, and optimizing for performance. Address quotas and billing limits before launch. If something breaks, check the console for invalid API key or blocked requests and confirm the API is enabled in the Cloud Console. This is the most common issue. Make sure clustering or lazy loading reduces marker load, and test on mobile so pinch and pan feel right. Finally, log meaningful errors so you can quickly isolate and fix problems in production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.